Boat launch is flooded over completely. Used to walk another 40-50 yards down that far to where you could actually fish from the bank. Oh, that was out. This water. It's a white river. It is way up. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Look at this. Ease on down this way a little bit here. Get out of the creek here. Holy cow. You see the concrete road right there underneath it. One area right here. You can see the tops of the trees out there. Used to walk out there. All this in here is completely dry. Every bit of this was completely dry for several yards out there. So the White River's way up. Way up. And of course, like a tongue part off of a boat broke off. Fishing lures everywhere. Garbage. A lot of dead trees. And the boat launch used to be several yards out this way. My goodness. Let's go on down, look at where you're going to see what that looks like.